Hello, this is G Fantastic. Today we are going to do a MEL chemistry science experiment. Crystal, which is rainbow crystals. Ooh, but it's difficulty 3, danger 2, and 15 minutes. Sodium.
Yeah, there it is. Sodium thiosulfate. Not dangerous.
Oh.
Weird. It's got so many syllables. You'd expect it to be dangerous.
So first, we need to take that cap out. That thing will fall in the ground. Then I need to put that over here.
Very carefully so we don't spill it. No, it needs to be on there pretty tight so that the bottle can hang. Yep.
And then we need to put the boiling water in here.
We need to put the boiling water in here?
No, we need to put in the beaker. I already did that. I put the beaker holding this tail. We shouldn't spill it.
Wait a minute.
How can we do it?
Okay.
I hope I don't spill any.
And then the tail of the thing goes underneath. Now what should we do?
And then wait for 5 minutes.
We wait for 5 minutes. Great. Do you want to sing and dance? 5 minutes singing and dancing. Ready, go.
Hello, so we are back. So now we've got our polarizers. Separate. The book says it's important to match something. Or maybe that end or something.
All right, so what do we need to do?
We need to prepare this. And we need to put one of this on the tray.
Okay.
And then I apply some hot of this.
There you go.
I need to put 4 drops.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. Bye-bye.
Why don't you put a couple extra drops just to see what will happen? All right, that should be good. What's next?
Oh my gosh. We need to put we need to attach this like a short corner.
The short corners will go together?
Like that. Like that. That will be good.
That's gonna make crystals, I guess. Okay, what's next?
Make sure to press the filters together, and then we need to put this. We need to squeeze this really hard. Press hard and release. Then for 10 seconds. Then let's stand for. Let's with the flash for 10 seconds. Then let's stand for 5 minutes.
All right, let's count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, I don't think we pressed really hard, but I think it should be okay. Then we let stand for 5 more minutes. Okay.
Hello, this is G Fantastic. I took my gloves off, and I brushed my teeth.
Because we're going to the dentist. Whee!
Whee!
So what happened?
So there was this squishing this platform on top of this. We squished it for 5 minutes, and then we took it off. It looks like a rainbow, but it's no crystals.
It looks pretty cool, but we also need to do the last step.
This is the last step.
What does it say?
Once the Na2S2O3 solution cools down, it forms crystals again. Look how cool the polarizing filters.
So we have to take the polarizing filter off, right?
We did.
No, there are 2 polarizing filters here. We have to take one off. So we have to peel them apart. Interesting. It all went away. No. Now, what does it say? Look
at the light source through the polarizers.
Be careful. Okay, so look at a light source. Wait, do that again. Whoa! Weird. Invisible and then visible.
X-ray.
Those are definitely crystals. Now we can see the rainbows.
Wow.
That's much cooler.
Look, there's a red and green stripes. Those are rainbows, and those are red and green sparkles.
True story. These are so cool.
Okay.
Let's get them even closer. Even closer.
Spikes. Maybe we could use this as an obstacle.
We could use it as an obstacle course. Even closer.
That looks like over here it looks like metal.
Yeah.
Amazing. How about I try? So we finished crystals. This was rainbow crystals. It was so cool. Looks like an obstacle course. So I hope you like this video. Sure. Please subscribe and
Subscribe?
Yep.
Alright, subscribe everybody.
Bye bye.
And give us a thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Bye.
Bye.